Here is the air compressor, and we show you how to do the maintenance. There is 5 steps. For the first step, we need to do the first maintenance after using 500 hours for the new machine. And then we do again the maintenance after each 2,500 hours. For the second steps, we need to turn off the emergency stop and keep this valve open. This is the air storage tank. We need to turn on the valve to discharge the air until the value on the screen of the air pressure is 0. Then is the third step. Here is the oil tank. We need to dismantle the drain plug here, this one, and turn on the valve to discharge the oil until empty. The fourth step, this is the oil filter. We need to dismantle it carefully and replace the new one because inside with oil. And this is the filter. Also need to replace to the new one. The last step, we install the joint plug here, install that, and turn off the valve. Then add the new oil from here until to the first level. So there is the complete maintenance process. After finished, when we restart the machine, we need to ensure the air storage tank valve is turned off.